Hello and welcome to our virtual exhibition. My name is Stefan Bongartz and I would like to introduce a new machine. So this is our new floor saw Multicut 400. The machine weighs 470 kilos, but as you can see, and I'm not the strongest guy, it's very easy to maneuver and to move around, but still we have a very good weight distribution. The load is very heavy on the cut, but if I move the machine, it's simple, just like a wheelbarrow. We also have very good visibility on the saw blade. And we have a pointer that is very compact for transportation of the machine, and it can very easily be extended and adjusted. There you go. The handlebars are now adjustable in 4 different positions. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. The machine comes standard with right hand and left hand cutting. See the flange, which is opened with 1 screw, just like the standard flange, and both sides are exactly the same. This is the cover for the other side. It can be taken off, and here you have the same flange as on the other side. The same goes for the coolant water. The coolant water is mounted here for left-hand cutting, and it's mounted on the other side for right-hand cutting. And with that you can cut down to 415 millimeters. There is an option available for fresh concrete, and there are also different sizes for the blade guide. The engine is a stage 5 motor with the highest available standard at the moment, so that when you purchase this machine you are safe for the future. The motor has a very high torque, and since it is a diesel, it is a very smooth running engine. Let's talk about the operating panel. Everything is in the clear view of the operator. We have here our joystick for moving the machine forwards and backwards. It has 2 buttons for raising and lowering the machine. And the speed of raising and lowering can be adjusted by this valve so that you can easily enter into the cut without damaging the blade. This is the dipstick. It has the indicator for the cutting depth. Depending on the blade, you have to zero it, and then you can see how many centimeters you have lowered the machine into the cut. This is a complete set of tools for your daily business on the machine, screws and so on. All sizes are available. Here we have the gas pedal for the machine. In the up position it's the idling speed, and then you lower the lever and you go to full throttle so that you have maximum power going to the blade. This is the on-off switch for the machine, and here we have the parking brake. which is very convenient when you are lowering the machine into the cut, so that you don't have to hold it, and you use it for parking the machine, or when you are transporting the machine on the trailer. This is the hour meter to check and to see and to trace the hours that the machine has been operating. And here we have 3 connections for the water pump or traffic lights or safety lights. This is the tank for the diesel fuel with a very large opening. And this is all we need to know about the operating panel. Down here we have an adjustment screw for the tracking of the machine. When you're cutting on the right hand side, the machine will always be pulling to the right hand. So here we can counter adjust the rear axle so that the machine is running straight and the operator doesn't have to correct the tracking of the machine. A final word about our blade guards. All our blade guards, it doesn't matter which size, can be opened in the front to make overcuts. Very easy. The daily maintenance points are easily accessible. We have here in the front the dipstick for the oil level. And if you go back to the machine, the fluids, the hydraulic fluids for the hydrostat and the hydraulic are easily refilled by just opening 2 screws, and then you can take this cover off and easily refill the fluids. Finally, for transportation and for maneuverability, we have here a crane hook so that you can lift the machine with a crane off the truck or wherever. And there are also holes for securing the machine on your trailer or in your minivan.